Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Sorry, but today I couldn't do an uh, analysis for today. However, it was not much. It was similar to the previous ones, and this analysis for mainly for tomorrow because market will close in a few hours. So let's see what's happening tomorrow in the news first of all. And we got 1:30 p.m. average hourly earnings, non-farm employment, and unemployment rates and unemployment claims, and then 3 p.m. ISM services. So we got very important news today. And that means not today, tomorrow, there will be a lot of volatility in the market. Let's see on the chart what's happening. The first week and uh, second day of the month, and see what happened in the markets. Quite a bullish movement to the upside in a couple of days, and see from here. So market opened here, came down, broke this opening level, and now is moving to the upside. The previous daily high is this, and if we go on a smaller time frame, the market opening time, market came down, broke to the upside, then came down again, and broke to the upside again to the level it was opened. It tried to come down again. It happens multiple times. And sorry. Just want to see how the market moved yesterday. Yesterday was this daily. A day before yesterday, we had one of the previous daily high this. So what market did, market broke to the upside and come down. And if I replay this, I'll have further investigation that how market moved. I'm trying to show you that market broke to the daily and then moved to the downside here. If I go in 4 hours, better pictures. So this was daily high and also previous 4H high as well, as you can see. And then market broke above it and came down. For some reason, it's not showing very clearly, but so what I'll do, I'll delete it and pause the replay mode. So we do the analysis, which I was doing. Sorry for the time consumption, because I know you may have more important things to do, but this was important as well. But anyway, you can, for something's not working. So I would just want to show the liquidity sweep in one of the days, and then market came down. Here, what's happening? Look, market is still going to the upside. I was expecting the market should come down this level, but it hasn't. This was a fair value gap in daily, and market didn't come to this level, and market kind of respected this area. So now if the market breaks this to the downside, then I would expect this, because as previously I said, this is a W pattern. As you can see as well, the market should come to this level. And also if you go in higher time frame, like 4 hour, sorry, this is something going on here. And you can see that taking a fib level here, we have 50 level here. This is a 50 level, this is 60 level. So market didn't even bother doing this 0.38 level. So it's highly likely that it may go to the upside now and test this order block. But for that, you need to break this level. This level here. And to come down, it has to come. So there's no such opportunity at the moment in the market unless we have a clear picture. As you can see, there's a fair value gap here as well. So market may come up to this level and then maybe further to the upside. So we can have some trade here. Even here, we can have some pullback, but there's no guarantee. We have to look confirmation in smaller time frame, 15 minutes, 55 minutes, or even 1 minute as well. So you can combine RSI as well. So I hope this is helpful, and thank you very much. Have a good day. Good night. Bye-bye.